The F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation stealth fighter developed by Lockheed Martin, designed for unmatched versatility and advanced combat capabilities. With its radar-evading stealth design, supersonic speed of Mach 1.6, and cutting-edge sensors, it delivers superior situational awareness and operational performance. It's available in 3 variants: the F-35A for conventional takeoffs, the F-35B for short takeoffs and vertical landings, and the F-35C for aircraft carrier operations. It serves as a multi-role powerhouse for air-to-air combat, ground attack, and intelligence gathering, making it a cornerstone of modern military aviation worldwide.